Hey, what happened to unboxing videos? Back in the day, we actually used to watch unboxing videos and they were super enjoyable. Creators would just get a new product, open it on camera, and we would watch it and actually enjoy it. And now I don't know what happened. Everything just got super hype and like the attention span just got smaller and people don't watch unboxing videos. So creators stopped making unboxing videos. However, in today's video, I'm actually gonna make an unboxing video of the YoloBox Extreme. So probably not gonna get views, but I'm gonna make it anyway. So hope you enjoy it. So this is the box, just came from China. Let's open it. So this is everything that we get in the box. We got the YoloBox Extreme. And of course, we got this pack right here. I believe this has the adapters for charging the YoloBox Extreme. Now, if you're familiar with the YoloLive products, we also got the same power plugs or adapters for the YoloCam S7. So this is a YoloLive signature. So basically, you just got different adapters. You got the actual power plug. This is what it looks like with USB-C on the top here. And then the bottom will be able to adapt to any sort of plug depending on where you live. If you live in Europe, Australia, Canada, North America, you're gonna have to choose the right adapter for yourself. So this is probably what I'm gonna be using myself. Just plug it into here and twist, and then boom, we are in business. That's it. And all this stuff, probably don't need any of this. So I'm gonna put them here and we are done with the power plug. Next up, we're gonna open the YoloBox Extreme. Well, before we open it, actually, let's see what we have here on this side here. 8 HDMI inputs, 2 HDMI outputs, 11.2 inch OLED display, XNO antennas, real 4K streaming, ISO recording, NDI, SRT, multicam replay, PTZ control, web app control, 111 watt hours for the battery, and Qualcomm Gen processor chip. So that's pretty much it. That tells you all the features you can actually expect from the YoloBox Extreme. So let's go. Oh wow, so here it is. This is what it looks like. Oh no, I believe it's damaged. Is it damaged? Oh no. Oh, it's not. Oh my god, I was gonna freak out. Oh wow, this feels good. It's kind of heavy, but also not heavy at the same time. Definitely not something that I would put on the top of my camera like I usually do with the YoloBox, the actual YoloBox Pro, because it's actually smaller. So this is heavy, this is bigger, and of course it has more inputs and outputs and features. It makes a lot of sense. It is still mobile and portable, but it's definitely heavy. So yeah, you can see like I cannot hold it with one hand. I mean, if I try to hold this way, but of course, if I hold it this way, I'll be able to hold it no problem. So we got the YoloBox Extreme out of the box. So we got the user guide right here. I don't know what's in the user guide, to be honest, but I tend not to read the user guide. It looks kind of legit, so it's probably a good idea to read it, especially if you want to do some specific stuff, like streaming with SRT and DI, updating firmwares and stuff like that. And we got some cables as well. So I don't know why YoloLive like white cables, but oh no, actually this is the first one that I was lying. The other ones that I have for the S7 that are actually black. So we got white cables. But yeah, for the YoloBox, I believe the cables were white. Right, so we got one USB type C both ends, and then one USB type A one end, and the other end is USB type C. And then here we got, yeah, I don't know if this is relevant. I'll talk to you live, but yeah, this is like a hot shoe, cold shoe type of adapter you can use to put on the top of your camera, unless you put on something on the top of something else. But I wouldn't feel good putting this on the top of my camera because it's kind of heavy. But you have it included just in case you need it. And we got another little box here. I believe it probably contains antennas. That's what I'm thinking. Well, you got tools. So one is for inserting or removing SIM cards, I believe. This little one here, And then the other tool is to, I believe it's called Allen key, to tighten some stuff. So we got that. And then we got 2 antennas. There we go. Again, these are removable, so you can use them whenever you need them. If you don't need them, you don't have to use them. So that's pretty much it. Box is empty. That's it. So everything we get in the box. All this stuff here, these are my own stuff, man. Some of the stuff I already have. All right. Another cool moment is to peel off the plastic. So let's go. You guys can hear it, my microphone sucks. But anyways, whew, there it is. Oh, the screen is looking so good. Oh my God, screen's looking so good. Can't believe I'm gonna touch this screen. Oh, look at this. Wow. All right, so let's take a look at this side. We have our audio out. So for headphones, we have an SD card slot. We have a SIM card slot. We have the 1/4 inch, is it 1/4 inch for connecting this little adapter here called shoe, or a light stand, or anything that will take the specific mount. On and off button on the side, antenna slot. This is where you can attach one of the 2 antennas. It's covered. The other antenna slot, whenever you need those, mostly for Wi-Fi. We got USB-C port. This one is for charging. This one is for just connecting. You know, it could be a webcam or anything. USB Type-C. We got mic and line 2 audio inputs. We got USB, another USB port. We got Ethernet port. We got 2 HDMI outputs, 1, 2, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 HDMI inputs, and we have some of the inputs already labeled 4K. So there's the first 1, 2, 3 are full HD, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are 4K. All right, so that's pretty much it when it comes to inputs. And the back, you can see you have this little, it looks like a speaker or a fan. I believe this is a fan that's gonna be here. Yeah, 100% metal, super solid, well built. You can feel it's got a premium feel. Yeah, I already got some fingerprints on the screen, but I can't help it because it's touch screen. So what can I do? So quick close-ups for you guys to see. So this is it, guys. This is the YoloBox Extreme. Can again stream in 4K, which is super cool. Even includes 4K 60 frames per second for streaming, recording, ISO recording. I mean, it's a mobile device with built-in battery. If you have used the YoloBox Pro, I still have it, by the way. I'm actually gonna bring it out and just show you a quick comparison to show you guys what it looks like compared to this one. Size wise, so super excited. The device, I actually thought it was super huge, but it's not huge. It's still portable and mobile. So we got the YoloBox Pro. You see the difference? This is the YoloBox Pro. This is the YoloBox Extreme. So you can see in size, there's a big difference. If you're doing mobile streaming, definitely look at this. It's gonna look like this. There is a huge difference. Yeah. So you can see that I can contain the YoloBox Pro in my hand. I mean, with but one hand, but you can do that with the Extreme. Okay. But again, still mobile though. It's just a little heavier, but it comes with a lot of power, more features. The Pro, it's only 1080, I believe 30 frames per second. I don't even think you can do 60 frames per second. You can ISO record, you can record, but you can't ISO record. So this is definitely a different game we're playing here. So let me know if you have any questions, if you want to know something in particular so that I can make a video about it. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If not, I'll probably get like 10 or 20 views, and that's okay. All right, check out another video that I made showing you another cool switcher that I have from YoloBox Extreme. It's not mobile, but if you're into broadcasting and live streaming and ISO recording, that switcher does exactly the same thing, but it doesn't have a touch screen. It's just a switcher. All right, so I'll link the video right here. I don't want to give you everything. I don't want to tell you everything about it. Check it out and you decide which one you want to go for. Cheers.